Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make mango kombucha. First, brew your sweet tea. Combine about 8 cups of filtered water with 1 cup of sugar and 8 tea bags. Let it cool completely. Then, gently add your SCOBY and 2 cups of starter tea to the sweet tea in a 1-gallon jar. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and secure it. Allow this first fermentation to proceed for 7 to 10 days at room temperature. Once your first fermentation is complete, it's time to prepare the mango. Choose 2 to 3 ripe mangoes for optimal sweetness and aroma. Peel and dice the mangoes, then blend them into a smooth puree. You can also use frozen mango, just be sure to thaw it first. This puree will infuse your kombucha with a delicious tropical flavor during the second fermentation. Now for the exciting part, the second fermentation. Carefully remove your SCOBY and about 2 cups of starter tea for your next batch. Strain the plain kombucha into clean, airtight bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of your fresh mango puree to each bottle. Seal them tightly and let them ferment at room temperature for 2 to 4 days to build carbonation and flavor. After the second fermentation, it's time to chill your delicious mango kombucha. Place the sealed bottles in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This cold temperature will slow down the fermentation process and enhance the fizziness. Serve your homemade mango kombucha cold and enjoy its refreshing, tangy, and sweet flavor. It's a wonderful, healthy beverage you can easily make at home.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.